Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2014 Mathematics Past Question 48. In how many ways can a team of 3 girls be selected from 7 girls? Now this is a combination. You're trying to select a team of 3 girls from 7 girls. So we're saying what? 7 combination 3. And like we know, combination, when we have n combination r, this is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial, then multiplied by what? R factorial. So 7 combination 3 will be equal to 7 factorial all over 7 minus 3 factorial, then multiplied by 3 factorial. So now this will be giving us 7 factorial all over 4 factorial 3 factorial, and that is option D. Option D, 3 factorial 4 factorial, same as 4 factorial 3 factorial, since it's multiplication. So this is the answer. Thank you.